Let's go to Tom in Orlando. Tom, you're on News-Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Hey, thanks a lot for your help, first of all. Here's the situation. I had a landlord that was just being impossible to get along with and not fixing anything and charging me fees and fees and fees, and I voluntarily took off, and she eventually evicted me, which I expected. My question is that she's trying to take my security deposit and said that there was, $600 in damage to the property, and there was absolutely no I created no damage to the property. So I answered her letter stating that I didn't agree with her keeping my security deposit for that reason, and I know I'm facing a lawsuit in front of a judge, but what's the next step she can take? Can she just keep the money, or does she have to itemize that and let me know what she's trying to charge me for since I've responded to her letter?
So, Tom, she wrote you a letter by certified mail telling you of her intention to hold on to some or all of your security deposit.
Correct.
You did as the law requires, and you responded to it.
Via certified mail.
Now you guys are stuck in limbo. There are two choices. Either you work it out, or you are in court, and a judge is going to work it out for you.
Okay.
So what is your total amount of security deposit, Tom?
Well, if you add everything together, around $1,700.
And she wants to keep $600 of it.
No, she wants to keep it all just for different reasons. She wants, because of the rent that I didn't pay, she wants to keep the security deposit because of damages. She's trying to eat it all.
How much would you agree that of the $1,700 she can keep, and what would make you satisfied as far as how much you get back from that?
Well, frankly, I really don't know a good answer to that question, only because I've never I was a military member and rented forever and never, ever had a problem. But with this landlord, she would do things like I would send a check and she would say it was received after the day, so I'd have to pay certified funds, so I'd have to, run cash out to her when she had a check in her hand.
I got you.
She was a person that, not a person, but a company that took advantage of people, basically.
All right. So, Tom, here's what I might say to you. Again, there are two options here. Either you work it out or you were in court. If you guys are in court and you hire attorneys, this would be a situation where the winner would be entitled to attorney's fees. Rob Solomon is the attorney at my office that does landlord-tenant work. Rob is at my office right now, and I invite you to call him. Based on your fact situation, Rob might say, Tom, you've got a great case. I will pursue it for you in court, knowing that we're going to win and that we're going to get attorney's fees from your landlord. So it could be a win-win for both you guys. So that would be my recommendation, Tom. And attorney Rob Solomon is at my office right now. You can call him at 407-423-5561.